Smreka, at home with nature. People are interesting creatures. Not long ago, our ancestors built their homes exclusively from materials they could find in the countryside around them. In the past 2 centuries, the technological development has been intense, and our homes have grown higher. We have invented countless different modern materials, which have become the main components of our modern homes. But more and more recently, we are beginning to realize that the highest point of modern life is actually similar to the life of our ancestors, surrounded by completely natural materials, and that to live with wood means to live with nature. The choice is easy. Your solid wooden house will be assuredly excellent, a friendly environment as well as environmentally friendly. In every phase of its construction, we will use less energy than in classic construction, and consequently will be less polluting to nature. All the production residues will be used as biomass in the production of thermal energy. Your house will be attractive, healthy, and made with consideration for future generations. Your desires and plans can come true. The interior can be adapted to your living habits, and you can choose your desired energy and ecological standards. Wood is adaptable, therefore we can easily follow your desires and needs and find optimal architectural solutions, also with regard to the environment. Excellent advice at all times, from design to handing over, is also our guarantee for your later satisfaction. The company Smreka has an over half a century-long tradition in design and construction of timber prefabricated buildings and wooden constructions. Wood is alive and also keeps this quality as a construction material, which is why precise and expert treatment is necessary. Choosing and treating the wood of highest quality after winter logging, which by combining natural and artificial drying achieves its top quality. Then, following strict standards in the production of basic construction elements, and with constant quality control while assembling the buildings and meeting the deadlines, we have formed the foundations on which we have built the trust of our national and foreign customers. One of the advantages in the construction of solid timber houses is the extremely short period of assembly. The time of construction is substantially shorter than in classic construction, and the surface needed for it is noticeably smaller. As the components of the house are prefabricated, the construction area is quieter, cleaner, and tidier. Wood is an economical material and provides up to 10% more living surfaces with the same external dimensions. Your solid timber house will also be among the most earthquake-resistant buildings. Pine tree timbers are coupled with cross-shaped joints, which have been verified to be the best at resisting the horizontal loads of earthquakes and wind. Throughout the period of assembly, we are of course constantly supervising the accuracy of the work carried out. Namely, wood is durable, and only expert treatment and assembly, and later appropriate maintenance, will ensure that several generations will be able to live in your house. You can choose a higher energy efficiency and ecological standard for your house by choosing between different thicknesses of timbers and between several kinds of natural material insulation, wind blocks, steam barriers, and surface protection of the wood. Quality is also our main guide in furnishing the interiors. You can choose claddings such as wooden wainscots or gypsum cardboard claddings. Classic and lamella parquet, classic pine chips floor, or ceramics are available as floorings. According to the built-in materials and protective coatings, any house made by the company Smreka can be an eco-house. Wood is an ecological material and has no electrostatic charge, which is why there is substantially less dust in timber houses. Living in a timber house is very pleasant, as wood breathes. This means it can accept the humidity from the room or release it into it, according to its needs, and thus in a natural way provide a healthy living climate. Wood is an excellent heat and sound insulator. Therefore, you will need a lot less energy for heating than in a house of classic construction. Also in the summer in scorching heat, wood only gets pleasantly warm, while brick, stone, or metals are made extremely hot. A timber house is pleasant and healthy, durable, safe, and ecological. A healthy environment for you and your children. An environment which says that you are living with nature. Smreka. To live with wood. To live with nature.